Hello students, in the last class we completed the nomenclature of complexes at where only one metal atom is there, simple naming of the complexes. I dealt already the different types of rules and I given some examples. But in some cases the particular complex compounds carry more than one metal and these particular metal atoms are bridged by the ligands. Such complex what we call bridged complexes. Let us see how to name these bridged complex compounds. Bridged complex compounds. Look here the bridged complex compounds. Now I write a complex. Let me write amines. RSC taken 4 times. RSC taken 4 times. Let me say it is Cl4. Cl4. How to know this particular complex? Carrying 2 metal atoms bridged by hydroxy groups. Now, to show the bridging for this particular bridged complex, we use a prefix mu. Look here, the mu stands for bridging. Now you see next, how many bridges are there? 2. Say first di. Di, 2 are bridging. To show the bridging, to indicate the bridging, we are writing mu. Di mu, 2 are bridging. Di mu. What are bridging? Hydroxo. Di mu, hydroxo. Di mu, hydroxo. Next, we have to represent this particular on either side. Therefore, we are writing bis. Bis. Di, 2 bridges. Mu stands for bridging. Hydroxo, bridging. Next, bis. Bis stands for 2 times or giving the meaning of on either side. On either side or 2 times. Bis. Put a big bracket. Then, what are on either side? Tetramine. 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 Followed by next cobalt, tetramine, cobalt on either side. And we have to check it again. What is the oxidation number? Now 4 chlorions, 2 OH. And again total how many charges? 6 charges. These 6 charges are shared by 2 cobalt atoms. 2 cobalt atoms. Then each cobalt is becoming what? Plus 3. Followed 4 plus 2, 6. 6 charges you have to share by 2. Then the cobalt oxidation number becoming what? 3. Cobalt 3. Close the bracket. Whatever the anion is there, put at the end. This is what? Chloride. This is chloride. This is the way how we name this particular bridged complex compound. So what I said, first see the number of bridges. Di. To represent the bridge, we are using prefix mu. Then what are bridging? Hydroxo. To represent on either side, say bis we are writing. Bis stands for either twice you take or on either side. Then after base, a big bracket, tetramine, cobalt and oxidation number 4 plus 2, 6 shared by 2 cobalt atoms. Therefore, cobalt 3 chloride. This is the way we name this particular bridged complexes. Let me write one more easy complex. I'll write. Look the board. Iron carbonyl I am writing now, FeCO, then it is what? CO, or let me say instead of writing bridges, we can also write this particular CO taken thrice, then CO taken thrice, and again we can write on either side. So according to what I said here, first you have to show the number of bridges. How many bridges are there? 3. Let me write first tri, 3 bridges. Tri. What are bridging? Carbonyl. Then to represent the bridges, what I said? Mu. Tri mu. 3 bridges. What are bridging? Carbonyl. Take it is carbonyl. Carbonyl. Tri mu. 3 bridges. Carbonyl are bridging. Next, to represent on either side, what I said? Put B and big bracket you write. Then whatever there on other side on either side can represent this particular tricarbonyl. Trimu carbonyl base, tricarbonyl, iron. Oxygen number is 0. Why? All are carbonyl ligands. You know well. Carbonyl is what? Neutral ligand. Therefore, there is no charge in the complex. Therefore, iron is becoming what? Oxygen number 0. This is the way to name this particular complex. Trimu carbonyl base, tricarbonyl, iron 0 is the name of this particular complex. So, in this way, we name this particular bridge complex compounds.